What's up, guys? All right, today we are going to cover the Land Rover Defender winch. We're going to see the first one that was installed here at our dealership, courtesy of Jessie in the back, our technician that takes care of all of the accessories install. So I'm going to see if I can track him down, have him display how it works as a setup. I know he had to take the bumper off and install an actual new bumper entirely, and I know that it was about $8 grand or so and took 3 days to do. Definitely a cool product that a lot of people are going to want to use. So I'm going to track him down now, and we'll see if we can show you guys what the winch looks like. Here we go.
Show us how to do it, baby.
On the Winch Kit. Look at that. Oh, remote setup. Oh, that's badass. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Easy as that. How long did it take?
3 days.
3 days. Only 3 days to get your new winch. Hook that on, should you need to. And then what, latch this around here?
No, this will just go, this will go
Through there,
here,
uh-huh.
and then this will just latch to whatever you need to.
Okay,
So
which
you
could be
can
around
wrap
here into a tree or, okay.
Onto something else.
That's killer. And when you're not using it, what, that sits in the cabin?
Yep, the glove box or
Yeah.
the back.
And then this just goes back to latching over here.
There's a little spot.
Little spot there to latch it on. Oh yeah, you can see the whole mount setup. So it's a brand new bumper. It's a different bumper for the winch specifically. Yeah.
It cradles it. And I was able to get that back on.
Oh yeah, keep the X dynamic on there. Yeah, you can see the full-blown setup. Get a little extender for your camera. Still has all of the parking aid sensors on the bumper, which is killer. And this just looks mean. Oh, that's killer. I love it. That's badass. Tighten it just a little more. There you are, folks. There's your Defender winch setup. Exclusively available at Land Rover stores. And if you come to Land Rover Nashville, Jessie will install it for you, and he'll be happy the whole time. All 3 days. That's the winch setup on this bad boy. So parts aren't exactly easy to get. Labor isn't exactly quick, but overall the setup's pretty badass. So then latching that back on puts you back to normal. Looks the same as if you had just the front brush guard there without the winch. That's pretty sweet. It's the first one we've done. First one Jessie's done. Get a little screwdriver for the quarter turn screws. Boom, back to normal. Look at that. That thing's sick. Alright guys, that was the winch setup for a Defender 110. Really any of the model years so far, 2020 to 2022, but this one just happens to be a 22. If you liked the video, throw a like down below, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, I'm sure I'll see a comment down below. In any case, thanks for your time.